Okay guys, so today we have just went to backyard. Okay, so I got the oxtails and that's it. Go.
I got the salmon and oxtails.
Okay, I'm gonna open it, see what I got. I got the jerk chicken, some rice and beans. No, what's it called?
Jerk chicken.
Okay.
Rice and peas.
A plantain. I got a nice little crisp too.
Dear Heavenly Father, I expose the food that we are about to receive. Bless hands that prepare.
Amen.
Looks like no rice and
Some
peas.
oxtail.
Like some rice and some beans.
Okay. Then I got oxtail. I like it when we come here. Their food is pretty good.
It's okay.
Okay, what kind of drink is it?
Mango
I knew I had mango.
and
Ginger.
ginger, and this one more. I can't think of it. Maybe hear like a little spice in the back. That's the ginger.
Yeah, that's okay.
Can you try it?
At least you know it's seasoning.
Eat it. Get the pork. No, get the pork.
Last bite. Bye.